Today I'm going to share with you the secret that the gurus do not want you to know. I'm going to teach you how to make the best videos on the internet. Yes, I know it's a bold claim, but it's only that bold because it's the truth. You see, most people compare themselves to other people online. When they compare themselves, they don't create the video because imposter syndrome sets in and they'll start to self-sabotage. Well, I want to help you get away from that so you can make the best videos of your life. Now, you might say, why listen to you, Stephen? Well, there are YouTubers, there are TikTokers, and there are Instagrammers who are still comparing themselves against everybody else. But what they do is they create what we call the attractive character. I want to go another level, way above that, and teach you what I teach in the Heartbrand Academy. That's my online business academy, where my students, like Alison, has just amassed over 1.2 million views with her TikTok videos. And she shows up makeup free and shares information to disabled parents and their families. Anybody can do this with the system that I'm going to share with you today. I've been doing it now for well over 10 years and I can literally pick up a phone, press record and share whatever I want. I actually did it on a Facebook Live very recently and my audience said it's one of the best videos they've seen from me in a long time because I was worried, just like you, getting it all nice and fancy in here and showing up making all these scripted videos. So today I've gone a bit ad-lib, I've gone raw, I've gone real, because if there's no you in the video and there's no heart and soul in the video, this is not sustainable. It will just crash. People will fall off the wagon. I don't want that for you. So I'm going to share with you today the thing the gurus won't share with you about how to get this fixed for amazing video content and then the process to make the video. And it only takes a few minutes a day. So let's dive in and grab the whiteboard. I've gone back to what I do in my Facebook Lives, in my free Facebook community. I'm a personal brand. I'll link up so you can come and join us and you can hang out with us in there. But this is what the gurus don't want you to know. This nice little triangle here basically is a 10% and a 90%. And what this indicates is 10% is your conscious mind, 90% is your subconscious mind. Now you're probably saying, Stephen, why on earth are you teaching me about the mind? I want to make great video. Well, we need to fix this and I need to give you this secret on how to do it so that you can make an abundance of videos for the rest of time. You'll see the gurus saying, do the work, put the reps in, hustle, work your 59 million hour day. Well, that is utter rubbish and all it's going to do is link to burnout. And entrepreneurs with burnout are no use to anybody. I actually made a video and I'll link up to that around here as well. The 10% and the 90% are very useful facts and statistics for us. Instead of using your 10% of your capacity to do the work and just let everything else, your world, your life go on an autopilot, driving the car, brushing your teeth, doing the dishes, just answering emails all day long, just literally in no man's land, let's get clever. Let's look at how we can turn the 10% into something that works for us. What we want to do is we want to use the 10% of our mind to reprogram the subconscious. So we want to use our conscious 10% to reprogram our 90% subconscious. Does that sound like something you would like to get into so that you can use this principle for anything in your life? But most importantly today, video content. Because if you reprogram your subconscious, and I'm going to show you exactly the steps to do it in a moment, which will take a few minutes a day, more likes, more love, more cash in the bank for you, your online business, and your personal brand. Let's piss off the gurus. And if you're liking this so far, please like, comment, subscribe, share, all the usual stuff, and there'll be lots of links for resources in the comments below. Now, there are 5 steps to this system. The first one, if I don't tell you what this first one is, we will make the biggest mistake, and it's the same mistake that everybody is making when it comes to this process, because they don't do step 1. They go 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you don't know what step 1 is, everything else becomes irrelevant. And here is the trusty whiteboard with the steps on. And it's simply this. When you are creating video content, we want to get you into a state of mind. I want you to say it, see it, feel it, believe it, do it. So the first thing we need to do if we're going to reprogram this subconscious mind to make amazing video, what we need to do is we need to have a blank slate. So sit there in your chair just for a moment or two and just visualize, see a blank piece of paper. This is called a blank mind state. The reason we do this so that we can take everything that's in our head out of our head and get our blank slate, our blank sheet of paper as just clear and clean, so that we're not got the dishes, brushing your teeth, your emails, all the other things you've got to do in your life and your business that's not in your head when you're preparing to make a video. Step 2 is all around affirming it. It's affirmations, it's say it. I am a great video content creator. I am confident on camera. I am comfortable on camera. I am attracting my audience towards me. Using positive affirmations to affirm it, say it, so you can bring it into the present moment. I'm going to link out to some affirmations below so you can practice this. Really get yourself in a positive mindset. And if you wait till the end of the video, I'll share a secret gift with you as well. Step number 3 is see it. You need to visualize your success, because otherwise you will never believe it. So blank mind state, say it and see it. See what you are saying. See in your mind's eye that you are an amazing video content creator, that you are confident on camera, that it's no bother whatsoever. This way you're building up the layers of confidence and belief. Because remember, the mind doesn't know what is real or what is your thought. So whether it's actually right now you feel completely, oh, this feels weird, I don't like video, what's he teaching me now? What is this hocus pocus? What's this woo-woo? It's actually a very well-established process. See it, visualize it, believe it. Step number 4 is feel it. Because with everything we say and everything we see becomes a feeling. Now, if you can get yourself to feel comfortable and confident and happy and see yourself on that stage or see yourself in front of that camera making that YouTube video and really feel how good it makes you feel. Actually want to get into a place where you're feeling, this is amazing. I am amazing at creating content. I am great on camera. It makes me feel superb. So what you're doing is you're feeling the energy from the first 3 steps. And step number 5, and this is the Brucey, this is the daily diary, this is what's in the Heart Brand Academy program and in our video program. It's do it. Pick up your mobile phone and create a video. Because when you've got your blank mind state, you've got all the busyness out of your head and you say it with your positive affirmations and you see it and you believe it and you feel it and you get a sense of it, that video, that practice video, that daily diary is an absolute doddle to do. And the great thing is then, if you did that every day over 30 days, you'd form a new habit. You'll cement that feeling and that sense and that knowing and share your genius. Videos will become very, very easy for you. But here's the secret sauce. You can rehearse it too without ever having to physically do it. So if in the morning, attach your new habit to an old habit. You might have a cup of tea, just like me, and then go through those steps. Blank state, say it, see it, feel it, and then do it. And then at the end of your day, the last 5 minutes before you go to bed, lying there, head on the pillow, rehearse the moments in your mind. This is what Michael Jordan used to do. He wasn't there throwing the basket all the time, but don't get me wrong, he did put the work in. When he was away from the court, he was doing this process. The mind can't tell the difference between thought and reality. So you rehearse it in your mind. And the great thing is as well, when you go to bed, your subconscious is literally free to dive into whatever the last thoughts are that you share with it. So if you were to use it productively and reprogram the subconscious with the thing you wanted to achieve and rehearsed it before you went to bed, that will sit within your subconscious and they will have a party, and by the morning you'll wake up in a positive state because you know you want to make great videos. You're feeling it, you're seeing it, you're believing it, you're doing it, and now in the evening you're rehearsing it. So your action step right now is to go through that process, download the resources below, and you can go through the daily morning routine. It's going to take 5 or 10 minutes maximum, and then 2, 3, maybe 5 minutes rehearsing it in the evening, and within 30 days you'll be making amazing videos and you'll be comfortable on camera and your confidence and courage will go through the roof. And if you want to turn that video content into an online business, check out this video here and it'll teach you how I did that in under 8 months. Yes, 8 months, because it's realistic. Take care, much love. Big Daddy out.